Making sense of in, mastering phrasal verbs. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another video in our series on phrasal verbs. Today, we're diving into the world of in, a common particle used in phrasal verbs. This little word plays a big role in English, and understanding how to use it can dramatically improve your command of the language. Let's get started. In the context of phrasal verbs, in is a particle, a word that helps give new meaning when combined with a verb. Some verbs completely change their meaning when they're combined with in. It's crucial to understand this to avoid confusion. Let's take a look at some common phrasal verbs using in. Fill in. This can mean to complete a form by writing information in the blanks. For example, please fill in your details on the application form. Give in. To stop resisting or fighting. For example, after many hours of negotiation, the suspect finally gave in to the police. Break in. This can mean to enter a place by force, often for illegal reasons. For example, someone broke into my car last night. Tune in. To watch or listen to a broadcast. For example, don't forget to tune in to our English learning program every Sunday. Check in. To register your arrival at a hotel or an airport. For example, I checked in at the hotel this morning. Remember, context is essential in understanding these phrasal verbs. Now that we know a few phrasal verbs with in, let's use them in sentences. This will help solidify their meanings and how they're used. She didn't want to give in to the pressure of her peers. Could you fill in this form for me, please? The authorities are investigating a break-in at the local store last night. I always tune in to my favorite radio station while driving to work. We need to check into our flight 2 hours before departure time. And that wraps up our quick introduction to the particle in phrasal verbs. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering these. Try to use them in your daily conversations and writings. With consistent use, you'll become more comfortable and confident. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video, and until then, keep practicing.